Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the llama from Roblox Adopt Me Pets. So let's get started. To draw this cute llama, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to come right here and start with a circle. And I'm going to come right to the top right here with another small circle for a highlight and shade everything else in. There. Then I'm going to imagine the bridge, the nose area, and then I'm going to come right across. So say about right here. Find my center, come across about this wide. And I'll give myself a point, and then from there I'm going to draw a curve. So the kind of the same height as this eye, because we're drawing the other eye, but at a slight angle. So we're going to draw this curve, and then about right here, curve it and connect it. So it's kind of like drawing this oval. So I'm only seeing part of this eye, and then I guess we might put a little highlight right here. Not sure if it makes sense, but we'll just put a little sparkle there as well. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead and we're just going to imagine, let's see here, like where the center of this eye, we're going to come out for the snout area. So right here, and then about in this area we're going to draw a nose. So bring this out and come out about right here and draw this nose, and I'll shade this all in. Maybe give it a little bit highlight here to draw the nose of our llama. Then let's continue, and we're going to bring this in. So hopefully you're starting to see the shape that we're trying to create here. Play around with it, make any adjustments you need. Then let's come back, the center of this eye we created, and we're going to go up. We're going to continue this, go up a little bit. So let's say about right here, and then we're going to curve down towards the center, dip in, and then come back out and go around this eye. There. Then let's go, let's see here, let's go up. We're going to pop this part out a little bit for the top, and we're going to wobble a tiny bit if you like to make your llama extra fluffy. It's all up to you, and we're going to bring it down. So then on this side, we're going to add a little ear. Pop in this little ear right here. And then on this side, about right here, I'm just going to draw a curve at the top and slant in this triangular shape for the other ear, and then connect it and come down there. So then this part right here, let's finish off the chin. So we're going to bring this in, curve down, and then we're going to go back up and connect everything. And connect. There. It's a little bit tricky, kind of weird, the shape right here, but just want to be able to create this curve right here, and so that we can tuck in this neck and bring in a neck right there. And let's bring this down. So we need to give our llama a long neck. So about right there, let's bring this down, or else it won't look like a llama, right? So let's keep going. Say about right there. And I'm going to go ahead and just give a little curve to connect everything. Go back up to connect, and then let's draw the body. So we're going to poof this out if you like, and give a little bit of wobble. And same thing here. So let's go up. So we're trying to create this like this big ovalish shape for the body. And so I'm going to go out and down, create a little bump. So notice I'm just kind of curving it very slightly, just to make it look like it's a little bit fluffy. But you don't have to. You can just make it smooth if you like. So now we're going to connect all this. And then about right here, we're going to dip in a little bit towards the center, and then Just go ahead and connect for the body. But you just want to create this shape that's kind of at a slant, this oval shape. There. And then let's see here. From there, let's go ahead and we're going to draw the gumdrop feet. So right about here, I'm going to start with my first one. So come down, give it some space, and about right here, start with one curve and connect. Come across about right here and draw another foot. So it's at an angle, and so just imagine another set right about here. So when we come towards the end of our body, so about right here, and draw another foot and one more right next to it, just like these. There, so now we have our llama has feet, right? And that is pretty much it. So hopefully that wasn't too difficult. I know the trickiest part is right here, just getting this shape in. So hopefully you make adjustments to make it look like it has this little bridge here and then this snout. And then I'm going to add a little heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute llama from Roblox Adopt Me Pets. I really hope I helped you draw this cute llama fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.